Hey guys, if you're looking to book an PCC appointment and you're confused, then this is your video. I will try to explain what are the steps required in order to book an PCC appointment, how to print an application form, and what are the document checklists that we need to bring at BLS Center for in-person appointment. So watch till the end. If you're new, my name is Nikhilesh and press the like button. Let's continue to the video. Yes, so on Google we'll definitely type BLS India. So if you press enter, we need to go to the first website. So let's click on that. So there are various information that will appear over here. This one is not important according to me. Okay, let's say because this is not related to PCC. Yeah. So this is the page, and we'll probably click on Toronto jurisdiction. Let's click on that. Yeah, so this appointment is this notice is really very important because if you see all the walking centers are open, but the thing is, yeah, the waiting time is very like you need to stand in a long queue. So instead of you can book it online, I will try to explain how we can book it after creating a application. So we'll click on close here. Okay, so we'll go to the passport service, then we'll go to police clearance certificate, and here all the informations are mentioned. So like why PCC is required, application fee like 38.7 if you are going via postal, so you need to create a demand draft for that, and if you in person then it can be paid by debit card. So this is the fee, it normally varies, so we need to check the website before creating the demand draft and click on document requirement. This is the checklist. I will explain this later. This is really important, you need to print that out. And the processing time, it's around 8 weeks, like max to max 60 days to be honest. Let's click on forms. PCC applied by Indian passport holder, and on this page we'll probably click on Canada. There are few options that you can see over here, like if you are first time user then you need to click on register and then user login. So let's click on register. Yep, so when we clicked on register we came over here. So only Indian living abroad are eligible to apply for PCC. So embassy would be Canada, Toronto. Give a name, yours name, and then your surname followed by your birth date, your email ID. You need to fill all those essential details. After that, click on register so that it will get registered. I'm not doing it right now because I already created one account in this. So let's close this and once your account has been registered, you verified your email, you need to click on user login and provide your credential over here. So let's log in and see the remaining fields. So once the account has been created, we verified from the email ID. So we need to log in into this website, and after that it will ask for apply for police clearance certificate. We'll click on this option, and in the first option we'll see we need to enter all the passport related information. First was purpose of PCC would be immigration purpose other than citizenship. After that we need to enter the passport number and then the date of expiry of passport. I will come for this file number at the end of this information. Let's go for the next, which is country for which PCC required, which is Canada. Date of issue of your passport, so let's enter anything, and the place of issue would be, like in my case it was Ahmedabad. So and then file number, so file number is pretty it will be available at the last page of the passport, so I will show you the example. File number will look like this at the second page, at the last page of the passport. Just copy that and enter, let's say something like, click on next. After completing the passport detail, we'll click on next and we'll come to the application details. So let's fill, you need to write your name, last name, gender, your birth date, your birth city, marital status, citizen of India by birth, PAN card. These are two are not available. Those are like optional. Employment type, private, education, graduate and above, and the Aadhaar card number. So once all this data has been filled, you just click on this agree and click on next. It will come to the family details. You need to write your father's name, father's surname, mother's name, mother's surname. Then also I would suggest you to click on save to save your all the details. So we can even click on save just to save it before the session expired. So it's just giving the reference and everything. So once this has been done, let's click on next. Yeah. So we already entered passport detail, application, family details, now the address details. So this is your address in India, which will be verified. So street name, your uh, town or city, your state. So it will come Gujarat. It will comes under Ahmedabad. Pin code, and then according to pin code, it will show you the available option of police station. So click wisely because this file will goes to that police station for the verification. Let's click on that, and the telephone number and the mobile number where those guys will call to verify the address is correct or not. Email ID. This After this details of address in India, you also need to put the address in Canada as well. So the country would be Canada. Address, everything. Your mobile number, and click on next. Okay. So over here, it will ask you some basic questions like have you committed some crimes or not, something like that. Just click on no, no, like according to your answer. It was no in my case. I clicked on next. It will ask for validate the information below, like your name, father's name, your for which country PCC required, passport number, date of issue of passport, place of issue of passport, and the file number. So everything is verified. Let's click on next. Once has been done, the final verification we need to do, like the purpose, Canada, then name, we just need to verify everything, and all the no, we just clicked on that. Let's click on agree and this Etobicoke. Please validate all the information from displayed in the page correctly. Yes, all details are correct. You can print application form using print application form button at the application home. Let's go. So this is the reference number. Just note it down somewhere. Um, let me note it down so that it will be easy for me to get it. Okay, let's click on home. Everything. The information was there. We also saw the $38.7 document processing time, form, and everything. Now the second stuff would be, like if you see, there are two options mode of payment. One is in person where we need to book an appointment. Second is the postal service. So I'll go in person one because it is very easy. Submit application, book an appointment. So let's click on center location, and the center location I click on Toronto. Service type would we need to select passport and the appointment date. So this already filled up. We need to see the green colored. So you see, today date is 21. So normally people get an appointment after 1 month. So let's say 18, 19, 20, 21 something. Let's click on 18. Once this has been done, it's asking for please book the specific on the basis of jurisdiction and residential postal code. Appointment need to be for the safest for the specific service like the passport. PCC comes under passport, the one which I showed you. You need to put your correct passport number while booking appointment so that it would be checked. And yeah, that was pretty much good. So there are different allotment slots. Like click on 11 to 11:10. Application name, mobile number would be, password number would be, application email ID, and we click on submit. So basically, if you click on submit, it will ask for OTP, and we need to we need to type an OTP. So right now we need to type an OTP, and it will we need to click on submit. It will book up. This mobile number is not correct, so I didn't get an OTP. I will show you how it look like. Just give me 1 second. Mobile number, I got an OTP, I entered, and the application receipt will look like this. Application confirmation letter, your name, reference number, passport number, your application time, and the passport application type. So they mentioned that photocopy at our application to help with the copies of document. So I also took the photo. I also took this photo before booking this, just as a safer side. And second, we also need to print this application for appointment letter as well. If you click on PLS India, so I will tell you the list, like the document requirement. Yeah. So final, we already got all the application. The one which with the photo is this, the application form. Second, we need to get the printout of application. The one which the this one we need to get the printout. Second, original passport copy, proof of photo of driving license, your work permit status, and also you need to bring your appointment letter as well along with this to showcase that you have an valid appointment. And yeah, fees would be like debit card. So this much was pretty much good in getting the appointment receipt. I tried to explain how we book PCC application form, how we book this appointment receipt. And the next video will be according to the next video will be, I will go to the appointment. I already got an appointment, so I will go over there and I will explain my experience in that video. So share it with your friends. If you're new, my name is Nikhilesh, and thank you for watching. So that was it in this video. I have tried to explain all the necessary steps that I followed for my PCC appointment, and please, you can share it with your friends and press the like button. If you're new, press the subscribe button and comment your doubt or something. I will try to solve it. So that was it in this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.